Perimeter in area. This is the second part we are doing. Area of a triangle is equal to half base multiplied by height. Now what is a base and what is a height? Let's take this example of triangle ABC, and this perpendicular A to D on BC, where BC is the base on which this perpendicular is made. This perpendicular is called AD, and which is also called height or altitude. You may be given the word altitude. You can also have on the base AB, you can also have an altitude from C, which is at 90 degrees. You can also have, let's say this is CM. You can also have an altitude from B to the base AC, which you can say, let's say N. So this is altitude and the base. Okay, area of triangle ABC given here, ABC, where the base is 10 and the altitude or the height is outside the triangle, because this is an obtuse angle. Here we had an acute angle, now it's an obtuse angle. So AD falls away from the triangle. The formula remains the same, half into BC into AD, that is base into height, and base is 10, height is 8. So we'll cut this and you'll get equal to 40. Okay, perimeter in area, a square and a rectangle. Area of a square is simple, it is just L multiplied by L or L square. We have already studied perimeter of a square is 4L. 4 multiplied by L, 4 multiplied by the side L. The area of a rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. The length, which is the long side, multiplied by breadth. And the perimeter is length plus breadth plus length plus breadth, or 2L plus 2B, or you can write 2 into brackets L plus B. So we have studied about perimeter in area of a triangle, of a square and of a rectangle.